Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to easily connect your Instagram to your Facebook page, and if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. Okay, so first things first, make sure that the account you're using is a creator type account. So once you've done that, just go into settings and privacy here. Scroll down. Here you can see for professionals, creator tools and controls, click that. And here you can see connect or create. So here you just click that and then connect or create a Facebook page. Click on continue. And if your Instagram account and your Facebook account are one, it will already show the Facebook pages that are available to your Facebook account here. So I'll just select this one that I made earlier for a testing page. Click done. So it said something here about changing my Instagram account to a business page type, but don't worry about that, since as you can see, if I click done again, it's already linked to my account. And that's it. That's how easy it is to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. And if you found this video useful, as usual, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.